Are you the type of customer that's saying, Freddy, I just need to find somebody that I can trust, that they can handle the entire process for me, make sure my wife is happy, and me and my wife can both focus on what we are good in our business and our work, and then help us to understand the entire process and just make it easy for our lives? If that's what you are, let me break it down for you what that may look like. At the end of this, you can say, Freddy, I love you, let's work together, or at least I can refer to somebody that I know. If that's what you, let me walk through the process. If that's what you type of person, this is what we're gonna do for you. Basically, we're gonna help you understand what the budget may look like for your project. And how we're gonna do that, we're gonna create a high-level budgeting. It is based on the picture, based on ideas, based on our conversation. Your project's gonna look somewhere into this investment. You say, Freddy, yep, that's what I was hoping to spend, or that's kind of, it's okay with me. Then we go next phase. Next phase, it is I give you guys some directions with the budget, with some selections, bring it to our showroom, set up the appointments. You don't have to worry about it. I just need maybe 1 or 2 days of your time. We just set up all the appointments same day. You go to the showrooms, you go to power supply, cabinets, plumbing. I want you to touch and feel the product, because I cannot bring all the products to your home. I just need 2 days, maybe 2 days. So usually I need like 2 weekends from you. All right, I need your time. I need you to feel it and touch it. I don't want to just put things in your home because what I hear from you. And I thank you for the trust, but I want to make sure when it's done and it's done right and it's the way you expect it. So when you come to the showrooms, you feel it, you like it, say, I love it, Freddy, it's good to go, perfect. We take all that information like this, then we go ahead, we will create a final document like this with all the selections, material selections, links, so you can compare by yourself in your free time, tile, the square footage, the type of the tile, and plus a very realistic render, so you get to feel what it may look like on this space. The tiles, the entrance, the finished fixtures, the floors, whole thing. Oh, here's the bathroom. So the bathroom, what it's gonna look like. We will design that for you, and how we do that, we go and draw each thing line by line, detail by detail, so you can feel it, what the space is gonna look like before we put a hammer on the wall. So that way you're not surprised when it's done and finished. And with that, we're gonna give you a final document. We're gonna revise everything, the scope of work, everything. If you love it, great. We sign the agreement, we go through the paperwork, we handle the architect, the engineers, we do the application to the town, and then we let you know the time we're gonna start, ordering all the material in advance and make sure everything is gonna be coming as we need it. Start your project, communicate daily with daily updates through our CRM. We also use WhatsApp to make sure you know where we at. We're gonna give you, here's the cool thing. You wanna see what it's gonna look like? I'm gonna share with you. You're gonna go crazy when I show you. This is in Spanish, but it will be something like this. I will read it for you in English. So this is preparing of the paperwork to start a project. This is actually when I start a project in 20 days about. So next week we're gonna start with all the paperwork, all the licenses, getting the paperwork to the town. Then we need 20 working days. Here is this color. This is the paperwork on the town. They have a 20 days to return. And then we just give an extra week just in case. And then this job we're gonna kick on this July 7th. You're gonna receive something like this and you say, Freddy, I love it, I know what it looks like, you can plan around. And here's the cool thing. If you're Freddy, I don't move my furniture, my things out of the house, we can do that, all of that. Here's a pod rental, everything's built into the budget, you get to see it, and then we can even move the things from the house to the pod. When it's done and finished, put it back up. So we can handle all of that. We can handle as much as you want us to handle. If you wanna kind of say, Freddy, I wanna handle that myself, no problem. If you wanna feel more comfortable doing it yourself, no problem. Everything gonna be on the budget. You know what the cost gonna be to do that. If you're say, Freddy, don't do it, just go ahead and do it, we will do it for you. So knowing that if you are very busy, we can do that for you, peace of mind. And also we're gonna give you daily updates. And here what's gonna look like daily updates. You're gonna go crazy, and you're gonna pretty sure you're gonna go, Freddy, this is amazing. It is amazing. I'm gonna share with you. Let me see if I can find. Maybe I want to show to you a kitchen remodeling project, what it look like. All right, what is it? I have multi-projects in here. Come on. You know what? Let me share with you a bathroom remodeling project. Look at this right here. This is where we start. This is the daily updates with the pictures. This is daily communication. This is the day when we do the tile, the fixtures. So we're gonna keep updated daily. This is where we are. We are coming your way. We're gonna be in your home at this time of the day. So we're gonna make sure you know where we are every step of the way. So you know you have a peace of mind, and you can just open your phone. You can just check it out, what we done yesterday, what's coming tomorrow, and you're gonna see full schedule. All right. So how to reach out to me? Very easy. woodworksremodeling.com. There's a landing page. There's a bunch of information there. Just check it out. Take a look. There we have a Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok. We are all over the place. The whole idea is to bring as much value, as much information, so you can make the best decision that meets your family, meets your needs. At the end, you have a great product, great process, a great experience, and you get to love your life instead of being all frustrated, know what's going to happen, know when things gonna end. And trust me, I hear that quite often. So thanks so much for your support, a little bit of the clarification, and hope I can hear from you. Take care.